This is the Barletta Cabrio 22 QC. So it's a quad layout with a co-captain's chair. This boat is powered by 115 horse command thrust. Nice torquey motor, gets you right up on plane. This boat is red garnet and black diamond. As you can see by the exterior colors, that wraps all the way around the boat there. This is a power bimini top as well. Check it out. So this is what you would call the quad layout. You got 4 loungers, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Storage underneath all of your seats. Trash can is built into this boat up front as well. Here's a little bit more storage. I'll show you that trash can. Really simple to access. You just lift up your backrest right there. So let's go check that out. You got that same tab there. Give that a pull. And you've got a built-in trash can on this boat, which is really, really neat. Armrests, which are absent on a lot of boats. You get that on all Barletta models. They'll come with that armrest standard. Again, lots of storage. These cup holders are removable. They just pop right out of these frames. There's just a little grab latch holding onto it there. Food and water bowl is standard on all Barlettas, so you'll have that here as well. This will pull out. Really nice cockpit area here. Very clean stainless steel setup, simple. Your depth gauge and everything will pop up in a little digital display down there for you. Power bimini, again, standard on all Barlettas. There's your access to it right there. Is that up and down button, nice and simple. Dual USB, there's an RGB lighting button there, so you can control your lights and the colors and the modes, all that good stuff. Lowrance Hook 5 GPS fish finder. Tables are standard on Barletta, so this will open up, and instead of a changing room, you actually have a table that you'll adjust the legs, get it nice and level. You've got a table that fits right in that area there. All the seats on a Barletta swivel, slide, and recline. So full function chairs on these boats as well. Very nice underdeck structure, best in the business. Anywhere that metal meets metal on these Barlettas, there's actually a rubber pad placed in between. They're called vibration isolation pads and make these boats incredibly quiet on the water. Really helps with vibration too. But come on in to Lake Fenton, SkipperBud's, and check out the 2022 Barletta Quad Lounger with the co-captain's chair.